Hello, I'm Andrew, and I have a Rabbit R1 in a box. What's a Rabbit R1? Well, if you're already watching this video, I very much doubt you don't know what a Rabbit R1 is. But I've not seen anyone in the good old UK open one of these yet. So if you want to read the spicy reviews, the good reviews, the exciting reviews, the controversial reviews, then there's plenty of them on YouTube. I'm just going to open this box and I am going to show you what's in it. So first of all, here's the box. It arrived in a jiffy bag from China, and that's what that side looks like. That's what the bottom looks like. That looks like a face with a nose. All interesting. So let's get into this. Just notice it's got an IMEI number on it, which is interesting. Right, let me get my trusty blunt knife. Oh, plastic's gone. If this seal has been broken or tampered with, what? Oh, right. If this... Can you see what that says? If this seal has been broken or tampered with, do not give the clear receipt unless contents are examined in the presence of a delivering agent. I'm just going to take a chance. Now, do I rip this bit off, or shall I just very carefully cut it? I am going to very carefully cut it. Nope, that's been glued. Going to have to rip it off. Ooh, hello. Nope, still not in. Ah, here we go. Okay, there is a grey bit of foam. Oh, that's quite nice actually. It's quite pleasing texture. Let's pop that there for a second. So here it is. Here's the thing that everyone has been making so much fuss about. It's going to sound daft, but it's smaller than I thought it would be. It's actually a lot heavier. Let's get rid of the box for a minute. That is actually considerably heavier than I was expecting it to be. From some of the spicier reviews I've read, it says that it feels really kind of insignificant. That does not. That's actually got some. It's got some heft to it. It's got to hold up to the camera. It has substance. How do I get into it now? Oh, like that. Oh, it's like a cigarette packet. Ooh, can never be sealed again. It can never be sealed again. It can never... I'll stop doing that now. Okay, so I'll get these last little bits of plastic off. Oh, there's quite a lot of static. Yeah, stuck to me. And, oh, okay, another bit of plastic there. My goodness, that knife's filthy. Look at the state of that. Oh, it's like a cassette case. Oh, God, that's quite a stiff hinge. Right. Oops. That would have been such a brilliant start to break the screen. It's quite nice, this little thing. No rough corners. All feels quite pleasant. So here it is. It is actually pretty dinky. It's nice. Well, it feels nice. I know some of the other people said it felt sort of a little bit shonky with sharp edges. This one certainly doesn't. I don't think this is from the first production run. I think I got my Rabbit. I found out about it and the first production run was already complete. So mine might actually be second generation if that's such a thing already. But it feels nice. I knew it would feel nice just because of the involvement with teenage engineering. Now, I'm a musician, so I have owned teenage engineering products before, and they kind of rely very heavily on things actually being nice and being nice to touch. Like, everything with teenage engineering is kinesthetic and lovely, and that's nice. That feels good. What goes in there? I can't remember. Well, there it is. Let's get this off. What does that actually say? Please peel off the mask with this sticker. Okay, I will. Okay, I won't do that again. Well, hello. How do we charge you? Okay, USB-C. So this says psst, and it says psst, roughly where this button on the side is. Incidentally, the box, there is nothing else. It's just the foam and the rabbit. So I'm going to press that button and see what happens. Not a lot. That was a long press. This wheel's really nice. It's actually got, it gives some resistance. Nope, nothing happening there. They say no instructions in the box, unless I'm missing something obvious. No, the bits on here just explain what each of these bits are. Is it a double click? Okay, doesn't switch on. Well, I don't really know what to do next, because there are... Oh, hang on a minute, look. Scan for user guide. And you know what I can't do while I'm making this video? I can't scan for a user guide, because I'm filming this angle on my iPhone. So, I'm going to have to look it up elsewhere. Bear with, because it should be on the website as well. How long was this video for? 7 minutes so far. I don't think I'm going to leave it much longer. Right, set up your R... I'm now looking at the website. Set up your R1. Power on the device. Hold the button until the display turns on to power the device. Okay, holding the button. I mean, it's got good sort of clicky feedback, so it's not like I'm not clicking it. It doesn't say charge it on the instructions I'm reading. There you go. That's as far as I've got. There it is. It feels nice. I like that. I could carry that in my pocket. It's quite pleasing. I still don't really know where this fits according to next to the fact I've got an iPhone, but I just figured it's something to have sat on the desk. It's a useful little thing, and it quite frankly is very cheap, but it's not a lot good to me if I can't switch it on. Oh well, I'm going to end this video there. Hope this was interesting. Here's my R1 in the UK, and this video is being shot at 1:30 in the afternoon on the 24th of June 2024, but I can't show you anymore because there ain't nothing happening there. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe if you want to. This channel's a bit of a dumpster fire when it comes to content. It's just all over the place, but people seem to subscribe, so join them. I'm Andrew. Thank you for watching.